This 2023 Winnebago Revel 44E is a Class B RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 19 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 2, smoke detector, LP detector, refrigerator, external shower, water heater, awning, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2023 Winnebago Revel 44E is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.